Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl. Hey, how y'all doing today? You guys, we got another fun video for you. We are going to be diving into the Charlotte Tilbury Holiday Eyeshadow Palette. And if you want to know my thoughts and how I feel and how I got this look, you already know what you need to do, right? You need to do what? Keep on watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life.
All right, y'all, let's get into this video. I have the Charlotte Tilbury Holiday Eyeshadow Palette. It is Bejewelled Eyes to Hypnosis. This is what the packaging looks like. Very pretty. This is limited edition, and it's for her holiday collection. I think I already said that, but her holiday collection. And this was the actual packaging looks like. Very pretty. It's the same as her holiday highlighter packaging, so they definitely match. And I've already done a video on this, so if you guys want to see that video, I'll leave it up here so you can check out that video. Now let's go into her so you guys can see. It comes with this little sheet, and the little sheet just has like because it's 1, 2, 3, 4 different little eyeshadow looks you can come up with, and they have the prime, the enhance, and smoked. So each little section has that. So you have a happy glow, love glow, dream glow, seduce glow, and let me show you guys what they look like. Very pretty. So right here, you start off with the happy glow. Then the next 3, yeah, it's the love glow. And then the next one is dream glow. And then the last 3 are seduce glow. So you're able to get looks out of those 3 different shades. And you have a prime, enhanced, and smoked. So I want to ask you guys a question. Do you prefer me to do the swatches on camera, or would you prefer when I already have the swatches on, when I can just kind of like show you the arms with the swatches on? Let me know how you guys prefer that. But for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and just go through each individual swatches. Now they don't have names, but they're in those little groups. So this is, let me say the first thing, let me say this. This is my first Charlotte Tilbury holiday eyeshadow palette. The only other eyeshadow I have from her, it's the one that comes in a little quad. So when I first got this eyeshadow palette, I thought to myself, wow, these eyeshadows look a little small. Which is not, you know, y'all know I'll never go through an eyeshadow palette anyway. But just, it looks a little bigger on camera or on the, you know, on the her website than they actually do in person. But I mean, they're not tiny, but they are smaller. They're smaller than the Urban Decays. You know how the Urban Decays Nakeds? They are a little smaller than that. But let's go into the first section. So I'm going to read off of here. So it says that the Happy Glow look has a glowing golden topaz shade. So, and they are very pretty. And I'm going to swatch all 3 so you can see. So the first one is, I'm going to do it like this. The first one is the prime shade. The second one is the enhanced shade. And the last one is the smoke shade. So that is what Happy Glow looks like, that whole little section. Really pretty. I really like this medium, the enhanced shade, because I feel like that's gonna be let me build this up some more so y'all can see. I feel like that's gonna be a really good transition shade for your girl, the middle shade. Okay, so the next little group is the Love Glow. Let me swatch them. Now, what she say about the Love Glow? It's a sophisticated ruby smoky eye. So you're going to be able to get a sophisticated ruby smoky eye with this trio. Okay, so of course the first shade is your prime. The next shade is the enhance. And the last shade is your smoke. Did I put that on top of there? I put that on top of the other one. Hold on, y'all. I need to build that up because I'm not hardly seeing that. Let me see if I can build the smoke shade up. There we go. Okay, so the next trio is the Dream. And let's see what she say about the Dream. I'm just reading it off my phone, y'all. Oh, this is the Amethyst, y'all. The purple. It's an amethyst inspired gaze with a warm violet. Okay, y'all know your girl loves some purple. So let's see. Okay, so let's go into the prime shade. Enhance. And then the last one is the smoked. Oh, that's gorgeous. That last shade, y'all. Look at that. Isn't she pretty? Okay. Okay. Now the last one is called Seduce. The Seduce shades. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so the Seduce shade, you guys, she's saying is a multi smoky quartz look with chocolate, brown, and golden bronze shades, which I definitely believe all of that. Cause this one looks like that's gonna be a simple, gorgeous, everyday. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna start calling Charlotte Tilbury the queen of the soft glam, because I feel like that is what she is. So here is your prime, your enhance, and your smoke. Yeah, I like that. Hold on. Okay. I'm trying to see y'all. Okay, so my enhance shade. Ooh. Let me swatch that and build that up. Oh yeah. That's going right into my skin. So these are your swatches. Alright, y'all. So let's get into this. I already primed my eyes. Let me pull y'all in. Let's do that. Hold on. Okay, y'all. I pulled y'all in a little bit. Now, I use my Hourglass primer, eye primer. I've already done that. And so I think what I want to go into is, I think I want to hit a little bit of the Seduce. And then, well, y'all know, we just going to be going on. How about this? We going all over the place. We going all over the place. Y'all know me. And that's the thing about makeup, you know, you do it the way that you like to do it. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the Happy Glow, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. I think this was the enhanced shade. Yeah, I'm gonna take this enhanced shade, and we're gonna use that as my transition. I feel like I could almost use that as the brow bone, but we're gonna use it as a transition for right now. And see how it looks. So, and you guys know I'm looking in my mirror. Well, first of all, it's definitely pigmented. And you guys know we're just gonna do a quick little look. Nothing fancy. And I'm just gonna give this, put this on my lid just to have these other colors have something to blend off of, play with. You know, y'all know the deal. Y'all know the drill. I really believe, yeah, that's pretty. I really do believe that she is like the queen of soft glam, because when I look at her makeup and even her eyeshadows, you get a little pop of something, but it's not like, you know, all in your face. It's really soft glam. And I'm loving it. Okay, y'all, so I went in and did my little transition. Nice, simple. And now I think I want to go in with the Seduce and use the, what is it, Enhance shade, this one right here. We're going to go in and use that shade. And I'm just going to kind of add that right in this area and in the trend and on my outer V, just a little bit. So let's go in with that. Okay, so this shade is not as dark as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little darker. But it's not as dark as I thought it was going to be. Y'all see that? Yeah, I'm filming at a different time of day, so you're going to hear a whole lot of stuff in the background. So this is not, as a matter of fact, this would have been a good transition shade as well. And I could have used the first shade as a brow bone, which I still probably will, but. So you see how that just gave it just a tiny bit of depth, just a little bit. But what I'm going to do now, oh, I got an idea. What I'm going to do now is take this beautiful purple shade and put it like on the outer part of the eye. I'm gonna take the, this is in the Dream, so this is the smoke. I'm gonna take the smoke shade from the Dream section. That's what we're gonna use next. Oh. And I'm just gonna tap it right here. So I'm just gonna build it up right in this section right here. That's pretty. Now I feel like that purple, when I put that purple on there, that gave me more of a made my outer V a little darker. But I do see, I feel like I'm having to build it up. I'm having to build this color up. Now when I look at it in this mirror, I can really see it. Now I do got a little bit of fallout right here too. When I'm looking in this mirror, it looks a lot darker. All right, y'all, what do y'all think? I am having to build this up quite a bit because it's not, you know. And y'all know I like that darker outer V. I like to have a contrast. Okay, now that I have this place, I'm going to go in with the enhanced shade out of the, what is it called? The Dream Glow. We're going to use this shade. And I'm going to put this on the inner part of the eye. Ooh. That's pretty, y'all. That is very pretty. We're going to go back into this shade right here. And I'm going to clean up around the outer part of my eyes. Okay, y'all. What do y'all think so far? It is very, very soft. Now, I will say this. I wish this purple, like when I look at this purple in the pan, it looks like it's a lot deeper. But when I put it on my lid, it's not. And maybe I need to use a different brush. I'm going to try a different brush. But I wish it was a little deeper. Because I feel like if that purple was a little more deeper, it would set this whole look out for me. I would be completely like, But with her products, her products, period, I tell y'all, it's all about the soft glam. That's how I feel. I might be wrong, but that's how I feel. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put some on my brush and then spray it. Let's try that. And let's see if that makes this purple pop a little more. No, not really. No, it didn't. So if you want to me, I'm just from looking at this, just using these shades, because this is our first impressions. But if you are looking for more of a super pop in your look, I don't feel like this is going to be the palette for you. But if you like that soft glam look, then I feel like, yes, this is the palette for you. And also, I kind of do like it because it's soft enough that I can wear to work every day. You know what I mean? It's an everyday pop-up, you know what I mean? So I do like that about it. But I do feel like I wish this purple was a little deeper. And I wish that that brown and the seductive, and the seduce glow was a little deeper. She needed another deeper shade. But it's still workable. Now, if you guys want me to come in with a different look using maybe the Love Glow, let me know, and I can do that like on a Wednesday when we do a live or something like that. But y'all, so this is basically the look. I'm not going to even really go into the brow bone. I'm just keeping it real soft. Let me go put the rest of my makeup on and we'll come back and we'll talk about my final thoughts, okay? Okay, y'all, I finished up my look. I, did some makeup, foundation, and all that good stuff. Now, let's talk about this palette. Now, what I did do with the eye is I did go in and added that purple shade in the lower lash line. And then I did go in with the, this shade right here. Hold on, can y'all see that? That shade right there, inner tear duct. And then I used an eyeliner from Urban Decay in Empire, which is like a purple shade. So that's how I finished up the eye look. And then I used mascara, the Climax, the Extreme Climax as my mascara. So that's what I did to finish this eye look. I really do like this eye. You guys let me know. Now let's talk about this palette. Now, this palette formula is amazing. The formula is so good, y'all. It's soft and buttery. It blended out well. They played good on top of each other. It didn't get muddy and none of that kind of stuff. So I enjoyed the formula. Now, I think I'm getting accustomed to this soft glam look. If you are the type of person that look at this palette and say, oh, you want to get some super, super duper bold looks, I don't really feel like you're going to get like super duper duper bold looks. I mean, maybe in this, wait a minute, this shade right here over in this area, you might be able to get a little bit more of a pop. I'm going to play in that later. This is a first impressions. But to me, I really do feel like Charlotte Tilbury is the queen of soft glam. This is an eye look that I feel like is very pretty and it's everyday wearable, and you could wear it if you wanted to go out on a dinner date or something like that and you just don't want to be over the top. You just want to have just enough to have a little And I like those type of eyeshadows. Y'all know I like all eyeshadows, but I like those type of eyeshadows as well. So to me, if you are that girl that wants that soft glam type look, this will be a great palette for you. If you're looking for something that's going to give you like color rain, that pop all in your face type look, then no, this is not the type of palette for you. Now, am I glad that I have this in my collection? Yes, I am, because I love this type of look. Like, it looks soft, sophisticated, glamorous, sexy, you know, like I'm a grown woman. I really do like this type of look on me. So I'm happy that I do have this palette. So that's the gist of it for me, guys. You guys want to know how I feel about the palette? I like the palette. I like the soft glam look. Let me know, are you more into that, you know, glam, or that soft glam? Let me know in the comment section. But guys, and if you think about picking this up, let me know as well. And I will leave links in the description box of everything that's on my face, and those links are affiliate links, so I will receive a small commission if you purchase through that link. But you know, all of it goes right back into my channel. But girl, if that's not how you like to shop, shop however you want to shop. But y'all, that is it. I hope this video was informative. I hope you were able to see and make a decision if this is something you might want to pick up or you might want to pass. So yeah, I keep looking at it because I think it's cute. All right, y'all, so to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what you need to do, right? You need to hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips. You can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life, yeah, it's Lori's life.